Welcome, this is Jamb here, 2015 government pass question. Question number 44 says, election can be used to measure the effectiveness of dash. Election can be used to measure the effectiveness of dash. And when we talk of election, is the means by which people choose their leaders. So, and we can use election to measure the effectiveness of A, say prayer groups, no. B, political propaganda, no. C, political opinion, no. D, public opinion. You can use election to measure public opinion. And when we talk of public opinion is the aggregate of the people's thoughts or ideas. So option D is correct. Thank you, and subscribe for more videos.